Hello friends, welcome to the channel Just Try. In today's video, we are going to discuss about discount received and discount allowed. So discount is a single term, but discount is received once in few cases, and we also allow discount or give discount. Now, when do we give discount? When do we receive discount? Let us discuss about these two particular areas so that we can get a clear idea of when we are doing any journal entry. So let's begin with the video. So here today we are going to discuss about discount, various types of discounts. So what are the type of discounts that are available in accountancy or available in any business? That is, first we have trade discount, we have cash discount. These are the two types of discounts through one type of categorization, and another two type of discounts that come when we do journal entries are discount received and discount allowed. So we will be covering all the four topics one by one. Now, first let us understand what is discount. Discount is a reduction in the price of goods and services typically offered by a seller to a buyer. Discounts are used to encourage prompt payment, bulk purchases, or customer loyalty. It can be classified into various types depending on the purpose and the terms of discount. Now, when do we get a discount? Usually bulk purchases, that is when we buy in large quantities, usually that qualifies for a discount. Prompt payment or paying early or within a specified period can earn a discount. Promotional offers, special discounts during sales, festivals, promotions. And loyalty programs, like regular customers may receive discounts as a part of loyalty program. Now, cash discount. What is a cash discount? Cash discount is a reduction in the invoice price offered by the seller to encourage the buyer to make prompt payment. It is usually given when payment is made within a specified short period. For example, a seller offers terms of 2% discount which is available if the payment is made within 10 days. Otherwise, the full payment or the full amount is due. So, in that case, if we look into the calculation, we will find that the invoice amount is 1000 rupees. If the invoice amount is imagined to be 1000 rupees, discount of 2%, that is 20 rupees. And if I pay within 10 days, then I will get a discount of 20 rupees and I have to pay 980 rupees. But if I do not pay within 10 days and I do it after 10 days, then I will have to pay the total of 1000 rupees. Now next, we come to trade discount. Trade discount is a reduction in the listed price of the goods and services offered by the seller to a buyer, usually based on the quantity purchased or the buyer's relationship with the seller. Trade discounts are usually not recorded in the accounting books as they are deducted from the price before the sale is recorded. For example, say if a manufacturer offers 10% trade discount on the list price of 1000 rupees to a retailer, then in that case, list price is 1000 rupees and a trade discount of 10% on 1000 rupees, that is 100 rupees trade discount. That means the price that we get after trade discount is 900 rupees, and that 900 rupees will be recorded in the account books. Next, let's know about discount received. Discount received refers to the reduction in the amount a buyer owes to the seller, typically due to early payment. It is recorded as income in the buyer's accounting books because it reduces the cost of purchase. For example, say a buyer purchases goods worth rupees 5000 and pays within 15 days, earning a 3% discount. So in that case, if we see the calculation, then we'll find that if the invoice amount is 5000 rupees and discount received is 3%, that is 150 rupees, then the payment that he has to do is 4,850 rupees because he has received a discount of 150 rupees. So, and finally, if we have to discuss about discount allowed, then we see that discount allowed refers to the reduction in the selling price that a seller offers to the buyer, typically for an early payment. It is recorded as an expense in the seller's accounting books because it reduces the revenue earned from sales. For example, if a seller issues an invoice of rupees 2,000 offering a 1% discount for payment within 10 days, then the buyer pays within 10 days, so the seller allows a discount. Now, in that case, if the invoice amount is considered to be 2,000 and discount allowed is 1%, that is 20 rupees, then the payment received is 1,980 rupees. So in short, if we have to say, then discount is usually a reduction in the price to encourage purchasing behavior. Cash discount is for prompt payment recorded in the account books, and trade discount is usually based on the purchase quantity or relationship not recorded in the account books, and discount received is usually a benefit for the buyer recorded as income, and discount allowed is a cost for the seller recorded as an expense. I hope the video was clear and you have got a clear idea about the two accounting terms, that is discount received and discount allowed. So thank you. Please like, share and comment on the video if you have liked it, and please subscribe the channel so that you can keep getting more videos on accounting and accounting information. Thank you.